So we're back. I just want to briefly explain some things further on container, which also we will encounter in other elements. Once you get to your container and you click it like this, you highlight it, you will have the layout. Under layout, you can see the content width. You can decide to make it full width or box. When it's box, you can specify the width. You can specify the width. We have 1,200 here. You can have minimum or maximum height. You can have the minimum height. You can have item direction. That's telling the direction. You can see now. See the column vertical. What happened? Instead of the two, I want you to notice something. One, we said the column is vertical. Look at what happened. Divide it into two. One I said is reverse. It also changes. When we say column reverse again. So we have two vertical and two horizontal. The one is horizontal, vertical, row reversed, column reversed. This is row vertical, row horizontal, a column that is vertical. We have row reverse, then column reverse. Those are the things we have, and I've demonstrated them, the three or the four of them. Then we can have the content justification, justify content. You can put your content to be in the center and anywhere you want it to be. So for now, we leave it to the left. Then you can align your item to the start, to the center also, to the end, or stretch. Those are the things we have. Then we have gap. Can have gap. Let's look at this now. Let's put 2. Can you see the gap? I want you to notice something. I can remove the gap completely. But let's look at it now. You have it at 0. You can say I'm putting it at minus. So for now, we have gap. So this is the column gap. Let's now look at the row gap. Because there is no rows, it's only we have columns, you will not notice that. But if I do this, look at this now. Just note the column row. See what I'm saying? This should be going down. So that's what I want us to understand. So you have those things. What of wrap? To wrap your element. You can wrap your element. You can see when you wrap it, it has no wrap. When you wrap, it's different things. So item within this container can stay in a single line. There's no wrap. Or break into multiple lines. That is wrapped. So you should understand that when it's in a single line, it means no wrap. When it is in multiple lines, it means no what? Wrap. So you have the additional option. So we are through with what I just want to explain about container. Now, the internal container will nearly have the same thing. You can see the internal one. You can see the gap is 20. So what if I change the gap, remove gap, I put 0. So that is removing the gap. So now we are through with that now, and that is all about container. So this is just continuation of lesson 7. which I just call lesson 8, but it's the continuation of lesson 7. Thank you very much. I will take another element in the next video.